Welcome to our tutorial on how to dual boot any system. In this video, we will be showing you step by step how to install multiple operating systems on the same computer. This can be useful for those who need to use different operating systems for different tasks, or for those who want to try out a new operating system without losing access to their current one. Step 1. Backup your important data. Before we begin, it's important to make sure that all of your important data is backed up. This will ensure that you don't lose any files or information during the installation process. You can back up your data to an external hard drive, cloud storage, or a USB drive. Step 2. Create a bootable USB drive. To install a new operating system, you will need a bootable USB drive. To create one, you can use a tool like Rufus, which is free and easy to use. Once you have downloaded Rufus, launch it, select your USB drive, and then choose the operating system you want to install from the list. Then, click the Start button to begin creating the bootable USB drive. Step 3. Change your BIOS settings. To be able to boot from the USB drive, you will need to change the boot order in your computer's BIOS settings. To access the BIOS settings, you will need to press a specific key during the startup of your computer, usually F2 or delete. Once you are in the BIOS settings, look for the Boot tab and change the boot order so that the USB drive is listed first. Step 4. Begin the installation. Once you have changed the boot order, save the changes and exit the BIOS settings. Your computer will now reboot and boot from the USB drive. This will take you to the installation screen for the new operating system. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Step 5. Configure the bootloader. Once the installation is complete, you will need to configure the bootloader to be able to choose between the two operating systems at startup. This can be done by using a tool like EasyBCD, which is free and easy to use. Once you have installed EasyBCD, launch it, and then add the new operating system to the boot menu. And there you have it. You have successfully dual booted your system. You can now choose between the two operating systems at startup, and switch between them as needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial and we hope it was help you.